Very well. Now we'll see how to actually apply the rules of exponents that we have just learned. How do we actually use them in questions? Okay. So first I'll just write down all the rules that we have learned about exponents. So the first one was like a to the power m into a to the power n was a to the power just the sum of the powers m plus n. Okay. So and a to the power m upon a to the power n was the a to the power difference of these m minus n. Third one would be uh, okay. This is so from here only, from this only you get a to the power any number to the power 0 is 1 from this only. If m and n are equal, this becomes a to the power 0, that is a to the power m upon a to the power m. Cancel out, give you 1. Fine. Okay. Then a into b dot means into a dot b to the power n is equal to a to the power n into b to the power n. Okay. So similar argument is for a upon b to the power n is equal to a to the power n upon b to the power n. Okay. And okay. So and from here only, from this one only, you get a to the power minus 1. Any number to the power minus 1 is just the reciprocal. Okay. So like this we can say. And the fifth one is like a to the power b, and this whole thing to the power c is equal to a to the power b into c. Just multiply the two and it's the same as a to the power c whole raised to b. Okay, I'm just summing up the rules that we have just learned. Okay, fine. Okay, so these are the rules, I guess. Okay, fine. So now using these, we'll try to see solve some questions. Okay, fine. So the first one I write, let's say find out the value or simplify 243 upon 32 whole raised to the power minus 4 upon 5. Okay, let's say we have to simplify this thing. Okay, let's say we have to simplify this. Okay, now okay, again we'll be using the properties. Okay, this negative sign is there. First of all, how to get rid of that negative sign? So we know, I'll just whatever property is being used, I'll just write it. Okay, so I know. Okay, so this can be written as 243 upon 32 whole to the power minus 1 into 4 by 5, right? This whole thing is in the power, right? Some number to the power b into c, that thing. Okay, this thing it is, right? This property, right? This is the number. So a to the power b into c is what? It's either a to the power c whole raised to b, or you can write a to the power b then whole raised to c. So this fifth one, if you try to use, it's so this one I'll write it as 243 upon 32, this raised to the power minus 1 and then whole raised to the power 4 upon 5, right? Okay, now inside this thing, 243 upon 32 whole raised to the power minus 1 is what? Just see, anything raised to the power minus 1 is just its reciprocal, right? So it's reciprocal. Why? We have seen the reason also for that, right? A to power minus 1 is what? A to the power 0 minus 1, that is a to the power 0 upon a to the power 1. Anything raised to power 0 is 1, so this is 1 upon a. Okay, this property only. Why this property too? With that also we have seen. Okay, so this I'll write here as 32 upon 243 whole raised to the power. no, minus 1, I just did the reciprocal, so this is 32, that minus 1 is gone. Now this whole to the power 4 by 5, this upon 4 by 5, right? So minus 1, that minus sign is gone now. Okay, now what? Now you'll see that, okay, 32, what it can be written as? 32 can be written as 2 to the power 5. 243 is 3 to the power 5. Okay, this whole thing raised to the power 4 by 5, right? So something upon something, then whole raised to the power some number. Now what? Now use this one. Use this one. A by B whole raised to the power some number is what? Numerator to the power same number upon denominator to the power same number. Okay, this one. See, so this is what? This can be said is equal to 2 to the power 5 whole to the power 4 by 5 upon 3 to the power 5 raised to the power 4 by 5, right? Now numerator is what? 2 to the power 5 into 4 to the power 5. Now again this rule, this one, a to the power b whole to the power c, this rule, right? A to the power b whole to the power c is what? Just multiplication, bc, a to the power b into c, right? So this is what? This is simply 2 to the power 5 into 4 by 5, right? Upon 3 to the power 5 into 4 by 5. So what does this happen? What is this? 5 cancels. This is 2 to the power 4. Okay, so this is 2 to the power 4 upon 3 to the power 4, right? So now this is a simplified form. 2 to the power 4 is how much? 16. This is 81. So this is, that whole thing is equal to nothing but this thing. 243 by 32 raised to the power minus 4 by 5 is nothing but 16 upon 81. Okay, this is how we can simplify, right? So just this needs a little practicing, but these things are very important and you have to practice as many questions as you can, because you just can't make mistake in dealing with exponents and powers. Okay, so just make sure you are very confident about this. Okay, let's take one more example. Let's take another example. Okay, another example, if I take, let's find out or simplify 25 by 9 whole to the power minus 3 by 2 times 2 by 5 whole raised to the power minus 3. Let's try to simplify this one. Okay, now again you know same thing, minus sign. How to get rid? This I write as 25 by 9 raised to the power minus 1 whole to the power 3 by 2, right? Because minus 3 by 2 is what? Minus 1 into 3 by 2. Minus 1 I can take inside, right? This property, fifth one, right? Is it not? A to the power bc is equal to a to the power b to the power c, or a to the power c. Write this like this. Just observe this. Correct? Okay, very well. Sorry, yes. Fine. So this into, yes, our question is this into this one can be written as 2 by 5 whole raised to the power minus 1, then the whole thing to the power 3. Now anything to the power minus 1, anything raised to the power minus 1, this is what? The reciprocal of 25 by 9, that is 9 upon 25 upon 3 by 2 into, this is 5 upon 2 whole to the power 3. Correct? Okay. Now again simplify, again use that property. This one, a by b whole to the power c is what? A to the power c upon b to the power c, right? Same thing. Now 9 is what? 3 square. So I'll write 3 square upon 5 square whole to the power 3 by 2 into 5 by 2 whole to the power 3. Okay, so vice versa is also true, right? A to power this is also equal to this, so can I write, so either you can write like this, or you can say this is equal to 3 by 5 whole to the power 2, and then this whole thing to the power 3 by 2, right? 3 square by 5 square is the same as 3 by 5 whole square, right? This property, this property here, right? Okay, so now this is what, and this into 5 by 2 whole to the power 3, so this is equal to what, 3 by 5 whole to the power 2 into 3 by 2, right? Into 5 by 2 whole to the power 3, right? This 2 cancels, so this is nothing but 3 by 5 whole to the power 3 into 5 by 2 whole to the power 3. Correct. Now what to do? So this is again, this is 3 to the power 3 by 5 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 3 by 2 to the power 3. Cancels out. This is 3 cube upon 2 cube, that is 27 upon 9. Okay, so that thing is simplified. This whole thing is coming out to be how much? 27 upon 9. Okay, this is 27 upon 9 after simplification, and we use the rules like this. Okay, very carefully you have to use the rules. Okay, so there are questions available in the quizzes and all, you have to practice them and be very confident about the exponents. Okay, we'll be doing some more examples on exponents. Okay, fine, thank you.